EA.
Shoes. What you thought, man? It's in the game. YouTube fam, what's going on with y'all, man? Your boy Jay is here to give y'all an unboxing on some EA action, man. As y'all seen from that quick intro, man. If you know, you know, bro. If you know, you know. They need to bring back those intros on those EA sport games, man. But besides all that, man, look, Nike. That's how you ship. That's how you ship, man. So this shoe did get exclusive access on Thursday. What was the date? I want to say it was Thursday. April 13th was the day we got EA on this shoe. And I got this shoe on Saturday, man. 2 days after the EA, your boy got this shoe, and I didn't do no type of special shipping. They just came like that, man. So salute to Nike for getting them gone, getting them out there, man. This shoe right here, I'm gonna show y'all in a second, man. But before we dive into it, if this is your first time stopping through, man, make sure y'all stick around, man. Hit that subscribe button and join the fam, man. Your boy Jay would truly appreciate that. As always, I appreciate the OGs and everybody else who has been rocking out with your boy. We recently hit that 120, man. We hit 120,000, man. So I truly appreciate y'all. We keep elevating. All I need for y'all to do is keep hitting that like button and keep showing support, man. Comment your thoughts down below on this shoe once you see it. And of course, it's a controversial shoe to some, because some people like, nah, I can't do it, bro. Some people like, man, I'm gonna get them and I'm gonna make them look fly. I'm one of them people, man. So hey, shout out to the wifey as well. I gotta throw her in there because she was the one who hit me up about this shoe, and she got them on her account, man. But anyways, man, hopefully y'all are having a good day. We about to check out what's in this box, and before we do that, we gotta make sure that y'all are traveling the right way. Almost took out my camera, man. Bang! Yes, sir, man. So right here, I do have a Sole Premise daily commuter travel bag right here, man. This bag right here can hold 2 pairs of shoes as well as a whole bunch of other accessories. If you pop it open, you know what I'm saying, you can see the different slots where you can put your shoes, camera equipment like I do have in here, man. But several things can be held inside this bag, and as you can see, it does have that premium designer type style look to it, man. This is the monogram bag, but they do have several others over there, man. So I need y'all to check out Sole Premise today. Everything is linked down below in the description. Use promo code JayTheSneakerGuy at checkout. It will save you almost half off of one of these bags, man. So if you want to get your first one, man, I recommend you getting a daily commuter. This bag will go with you almost everywhere. Trust me, once you get it, you're gonna be like, bruh, I ain't know that, you know, I could store so much in one little backpack style bag, you know what I'm saying? And you gonna end up upgrading, bro, because you're gonna see how handy this bag is. But you still have more storage room right here in the back, another pocket for more stuff, man. So tons of storage room, man. Do not sleep on Sole Premise. Get you one of these today, not tomorrow, man. Everything is linked down below. But other than that, man, we do gotta talk about some shoes that Nike, like, they here you go, bro. They got them up out of there, man. So let's get into it. Appreciate y'all. Bang, man. So once again, shout out to Nike, bro. Shout out to Nike for getting this out. We're gonna pop this open real quick and see what's in the box, man. I did show y'all early look on this shoe. However, it wasn't my pair, but it was the wifey's pair. But now your boy has his own personal pair right here, man. So bang, man. Red box, as you can see right there. Size tag on this one does read Women's Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, but we gonna take the women's part out of them, man, because hey, you know, we gonna go crazy with these. But 10.5 W is what your boy got, man. That is my size 9. So whenever you want to convert men's to women's sizes, you just go up a size and a half, and that is your women's size converted to men's size. So 10.5 is a 9 in men's. Popping open the lid, nothing special there. Ain't no lot number, nothing on my lid, man. So no lot number on the lid. That's cool. That's cool. Shoes we got right here. We got that. Ooh, bang! Washed pink Air Jordan 1 highs, man. So yes, sir. This is your boy's personal, man. I did go ahead and cop on early access. Like I said, shout out to the wife for hitting your boy up and letting me know that these were available to get. So yeah, man. Yeah. We got them, and boy, they smell, that glue smell or whatever it is, bro, is strong, bro. Extra laces, of course, they come with some pink laces, you know what I'm saying? So let's set them up, and I'm checking them out. Bang! Here we have them, man. The Air Jordan 1 High OG washed pink. This shoe is set to be releasing on April 22nd, next week Saturday, man, or this upcoming Saturday, should I say. These right here, they clean in my opinion. They're not gonna be for everyone. I know a lot of y'all gonna be like, nah, I can't do them, but your boy Jay is I'm gonna take my time, you know what I'm saying, take my time slow with these as far as finding the right outfit and stuff to go with them, man. But I'm gonna bring these out probably during the summer, you know, a nice little clean all over pink with the suede, soft suede, a nubuck that you have all throughout the shoe, man. These right here are nice, and like I said, man, April 22nd is the release date. 180 is the retail price on them, man. But clean, man. I do like the vintage vibes on that midsole. So you got that cream, or not really, yeah, that is like a cream color, just a dark cream, you know what I'm saying. You got the white uppers on the side panel and stuff, man. But bro, the smell of this shoe is very strong, bro. Like that Jordan 1 smell, it smells just fresh, you know what I'm saying. But these joints right here, clean in my opinion. Let me know your thoughts and opinions of them down below in the comment section, man. Will this be a pickup for you, or you can't do them, man? But yo, man, real quick overview. Of course, you got that cream color, you know what I'm saying, tongue right there, white toe box, and of course, hey, the leather quality on this shoe, bro, I'm digging it, bro. Look at both toe boxes right there. Both toe boxes, not bad, you know what I'm saying. Take a look at the side panel. Decent leather, man. So it does have decent leather, and of course all over like quality style materials on it, man. Where that fuzzy part is, the nubuck or whichever it is, like a shaved down suede maybe is what it is, or a shaved down leather, I don't know, but it's nice, bro. It's definitely nice. I did mention in my early look video that this was, you know, a shoe that I think they got the idea from the original turbo green shoe, and followed after that we had the hyper royals and all that stuff. But I think these fall underneath that category. All of them are dope in my opinion. But I think, man, look, once you style these up, have the right fit on with these, bro, they gonna pop, bro. So definitely wanted to get my hands on these. I'm glad I got them for retail. I don't think that they'll be going for much over retail, so you know, hey, decent cop in my opinion, man. And it does have like a light cream lace in it. That's not a full white lace, you know what I'm saying. It does have a slight cream look to it, but I want to see the same lace as the midsole, man. I want to put some dark cream laces in there and see how that might pop, because it doesn't come with that color. It only comes with like the soft cream cell lace, and it does come with the pink laces, man. So I'm curious to see what that color will look like to match the midsole, man. But don't worry, I'm gonna make it happen for y'all, man. Stay tuned. But make sure y'all run the lights up on this video. Make your boy, you know what I'm saying, encouraged to go ahead and throw these on feet, show y'all how I style them up, man. But once again, let me know your thoughts and opinions on the washed pink Air Jordan 1s, which is set to release April 22nd. I have said that 3 times now, so y'all should know when it's releasing. $180 is the price tag. And yeah, bro, like I said, that smell is strong, bro. Very strong, man. So hey, let me know, pass, pick up, what it is to y'all. And of course, you do got that same type of suede or whatever it is tag on this shoe, man. Dopeness. I'm digging it, man. But that is it for these, man. Y'all let me know y'all thoughts on them. Other than that, your boy Jay is checking out with them. Got them on EA, so I do not have to worry about another pair for release day. And yeah, other than that, your boy Jay is checking out, man. Y'all stay blessed. I will see y'all on the next video. And Nike, bro, keep it up, bro. Keep shipping them out as fast as y'all did with these, because, bro, these came in 2 days, and I didn't have to pay extra. I got it for free shipping, and yeah, this was some fast shipping. So appreciate Nike again. Gone. Y'all stay blessed. Air Jordan 1 wash pinks. I'm gone. Peace.